This video was created with just a prompt. So if you want to know how to create an image which talks like a video, watch this video till the end.
You want to make a video like this, changing image to talking avatar. Head to headrail.com, sign free account, and proceed to generate your video. Any queries related, let me know in the comments.
So the first procedure, you'll have to head to this website called hedra.com. Then you scroll, you will see this second link, hedra.com. Click on that and you will be redirected to this page. You will see video, image and audio. Click on video if you want to generate a video. If you want image, you can just use image. So this is the landing page. You can see here we have audio script and we have character. So character is where you'll upload the image you want to talk. For example, I'm going to import this image right here. Then next is checking the audio script. You will see generate speech, record audio and upload. For me, I'm going to generate audio. I'm going to paste this prompt here and let me see this one. So above you will see create voice, that is if you want to clone your voice, and choose voice. For me, I'm going to choose the voice which already exists. So let me edit this first. Now I'm going to choose voice. Click on choose voice. Then you will see different voices. So you choose one, then you proceed. Let me test that one. I'm looking for female audio. So if you get one, add to the video. Then you will see here prompt your character with emotion and gesture. So I'm going to prompt gesture and the body motions. Applied. Then you click that arrow. Now the video is generating, so you little patience, you wait a little bit. You can see generating 100% and boom, the video is here. So this is the video. So let me try to load and see what it has created for me, and you can see avatar. Boom.
Head to headrail.com,
boom,
sign free
boom.
account.
So if you want to download this particular video you've created, you add to the 3 lines, then click on library. You will see your video. Then you click the 3 dots and you will see the option to download. When I scroll down, you can see the processing is ongoing and you can see successfully downloaded. The item has been sent to my gallery. So if you want to remove the watermark, I'm going to my CapCut, then import the video. Then I'm going to resize to fit the screen. Because I'm doing a video for YouTube, that is 16:9. That one. So if you are done, make sure to check on adjusted the contrast, brightness and also the brilliance. So brilliance is becoming brighter, then sharpen, that is like clarity, also clarity, so that it can be well lit. Then you click on that arrow. Now export the video and see the watermark has gone.
So that is it for now. If you want more videos or more tutorials on how to create these images or videos using AI, I will be posting more and more videos. Also, the channel explains more about YouTube growth and how you can grow your channel, you can monetize and etc. So until next time, peace.